the fire element. Wave hands like clouds. With your feet wide, shift your body weight side to side from your center. Your knees bend and your hips shift, your head staying level. One hand goes above and the other hand goes below, crossing your center back and forth. Both palms face towards you, your hands soft, smooth like clouds. Your head can follow your leading hand, bringing it to about your head height or throat. Your bottom hand moving across your center, lower dantian. Your movement begins with your core and ends with your fingertips. Connecting to the fire element, cultivating a sense of joy, happiness, and love. The heart and small intestine meridians flowing along the outer edges of your fingers and arms, along the pinky and elbow line. Feel that warmth gathering in your palms. Tuning into your sense of creativity, spontaneity, and energy. Transforming your breath into warmth and radiant light. Clear the clouds from your mind and from your heart. Lower body grounded and strong as a mountain. Your upper body like the clouds that surround it, flowing with your breath. Carrying this flame with you, holding your awareness, passing it from one hand to the other without losing the illumination.